So friends, we are doing an experiment about underwater volcano. There are so many that explode daily. Let's do the experiment. So for making soda, put into the balloon with the help of funnel. And add baking soda in the balloon. Then put 2 drops of red color in the tube. One, 2, take 15 ml of vinegar and put it in the test tube. Take help of funnel and put half spoon of baking soda in the cup. In the tube. And baking soda into it. We have added baking soda to it. Now we need to add vegetable oil. Take 20 ml of oil. Put it in the measuring tube. Citric acid in the tube. You have to use funnel and put acid in the tube. Spoon of citric acid in the tube. Half spoon of citric acid in the tube. We are adding citric acid now. This is how the underwater look like. Underwater volcano look like.